Today is Tuesday, October 16th, 2018. So I'm using a Samsung Gear 360. Just something a little different. See what you guys think about it. You can move around and see the different, 360 view. Doesn't have zoom, so you can't get in real close. But so I'm standing on the west side facing east. So this is more towards the south end. So this is the side that the field will slide out on. So you can see where it's even the ground outside of it is down. The field will slide out that way. Alright, I'm going to go to the other side where they're doing all the steel work over there. Go on that side and see what we got. And I'm standing on the north end facing south. They're putting a lot more. You can see the lower steel going across here. This is the side that's going to open up, where they're going to have the L. Davis Memorial Torch. So this side opens up, and then you can see all of the strip in the background. East side facing west. You can see they got a lot more of the steel going up. It's looking good. So let me know what you think about the 360 video. If you want more of this, or if you don't like it, let me know. Leave it in the comments. So for more updates, please subscribe. Duntog1967. Thanks for looking, Raider Nation.